Hi guys, my name is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. This video is gonna be super interesting. First of all, we had an amazing setup on NAS100 and also GBPUSD, but NAS100 was something exceptional that happened this morning around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And also so many interesting things happened to Goldie Incubator on my two accounts that I've been currently using. I want to show you what happened to Gold Incubator first, and then I want to analyze NAS100 and GBPUSD for you. So if you're new to this channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because I put out new contents on a daily basis to show you everything about Gold Incubator, which is an automation robot that trades on your behalf, and also so many free educational contents. I don't have any course to sell you. So without any further ado, let's get into Goldie Incubator first. So Goldie Incubator, as you can see guys, I've been using it on a $10,000 account, and I installed it in January 21st. Today is March 8th, and we had over 35% gain. And the second account, which is a new account, and I literally installed it a few days ago, 2 days ago, on a $1,000 account, which is a Canadian dollars, a real one. We gained over 5.71% in almost 2 days, 2 trading days, 5.71%. And I can show you everything on my VPS account as well. This is my $10,000 account that is bringing up $569 in total. Account history, March 8th. These are the trades that it literally took in the past 24 hours during London session, which is absolutely crazy. Look at this, guys. It's crushing it. So far, so good. It's very good. And this is my $1,000 account. As I said, it's a brand new account, and these are the trades that it took in the past 24 hours during London session. So 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 10, if I'm not wrong, 10 to 15 trades. And we had a profit in total. So that's very good, guys. I mean, in my opinion, the growth is good. And you can also use Goldie Incubator for 7 days for free. If you want to grab your license, go to smartincubator.com, grab your license, send us an email, and we'll manually activate your account, and you can enjoy your profits. I'm not trading manually anymore. It's very rare. If I trade manually, I only trade using Goldie Incubator. So let's get into NAS100, guys. I want to show you, wow, that was really good. I mean, I can't believe it that such a setup happened this morning, which was absolutely mind-blowing. So if I get back to 8 in the morning Eastern time, you see that the market was kind of trending. Like it was trending towards upside, and we had a consolidation for a while, and then another break of a structure, and after that the price dropped. But you gotta see what the overall trend is, which in this case is a bearish trend. See, guys, we had lower lows and lower highs, and then it dropped significantly. And this is a very low price for NAS100 that kind of happened in the last day, in the past day. See, March 7th, and today is March 8th. See how much it actually dropped. It was very significant. But right here, we have two high probability order blocks. The first one is this one. This is a high probability order block, because after that we had a huge spike towards upside, and the next candle never tapped into the zone, so that's why this zone here is a high probability order block. And the second one is this one right here, which is a very tiny one. You gotta zoom in, and then you'll able to see it very accurately that we had a again huge spike towards upside, and the next candle barely, it's not even touching the zone. That's why it's still a high probability order block. And as you can see, there is a gap in between. So this is a gap between this candle and this zone. So if you don't know what high probability order block is, guys, I highly recommend you to watch my previous videos. I have tons of videos on my channel, and I all talk about Fibonacci retracement level and supply and demand. So this is supply and demand, but the fancy name for that is order block. But it's the same concept. So the only thing I did was waiting for the price to tap into either this one or this one. So obviously this is the closest one, so I was waiting for the price to tap into this level and see what kind of momentum I get after that, and if it was potential, I would just buy it. So as you can see, it was just playing around. I didn't do anything here because I knew that there's so much potential that is coming to this level. But if you wanted to trade like from the top to the bottom, then you could have used the supply and demand strategy from here as well. So as you can see, this is a supply and demand level, and then after that the market started dropping. So there's a consolidation, there's so many weeks here, so it means that this order block is getting respected, and if you take your sell position, there's most likely that it actually be profitable. And it didn't. No, it wasn't successful because it literally wicked out of the box and it made it invalid. You could take a one-to-one trade. You could take a one-to-one trade if you take your position from here and put your stop loss to here and your TP here. It would be a one-to-one trade. But if you wanted to hold it all the way to this order block, then it would have been a lost trade. But one-to-one, there was no problem with that. So as you can see, it didn't respect this level. It didn't respect this level. It only respected this one. And then after that, we had a bullish engulfing candle. And see, if you take your trade from here and put your stop loss here to here, it would be a 1 to 1.7 risk to reward ratio, almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. But something interesting happened after that. Look at the formation, guys. It literally went up. Some people took their position here, put their stop loss here, took their TP here. That was really good, no issue. And then after that, it literally came down again, tapped into this zone and went up without breaking this order block. So it means that it's still valid, and we are forming some sort of W formation. See, this is very, very powerful. And not only one time, look at this, guys. It came down again, respected this level, and then another W. See, another W is forming, and this is the next prediction that is going to go up, and this is exactly what happened. Look at this. If you wanted to leave a runner, guys, and if you left a runner, congratulations, you crushed it. It was amazing. Or you could have literally taken a one-to-one trade from here to here and be done for the day. But some people, left a runner, and it really depends what you wanted to do with it. But it was really potential. Look at this, guys. If you wanted to take a funding challenge, you would have been passed easy. Super easy, just using supply and demand strategy and Fibonacci retracement level. But in this case, I didn't use Fibonacci at all, only supply and demand, and this is exactly what happened, which was absolutely mind-blowing. Look at this, guys. Like, this candle, bullish engulfing candle, respected this level again, and again when it tapped into this zone, another bullish engulfing candle that closed above the previous candle. And if you take your position from here all the way to here, it would be more than enough. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, one trade, you're done for the day. Or you could have just waited. I mean, I personally don't do that. When I'm taking a 1 to 2 trade and it's profitable, then I'm not entering the market again. So I just I can leave a runner from here all the way to here without touching anything. But I usually get in and out of the market super quick, so I don't want to just wait for it. But that would be crazy, guys. That would be crazy for NAS100. And also, let me show you GBPUSD, which was a very, very good one. But you could have been a little bit more patient, because if you wanted to take a trade for GBPUSD, you should have been patient, way more patient, because it's 8 in the morning and nothing happens. See, this is 8 in the morning, and let's say that we don't have anything here, and the first thing I did was identifying the liquidity zones that where we have liquidity grab. So this is the first one that is still not grabbed, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the last one that we have. These are the levels that have so much liquidity underneath or even above. So look at this. Oh, sorry. Look at this. It's crazy. We literally have this one after this candle. It grabbed the liquidity here. It grabbed the liquidity here with this week. And then after that, we had another drop significantly that closed below the previous candle. So it means that it's targeting the next level, which is this one. So I personally never trade like in the middle of the trend, especially when we don't have any clear setup for supply and demand or Fibonacci level. But I'm saying that it probably comes down to this level to grab the liquidity here as well, which did, but it never tapped into this level, and it just started creating higher highs and higher lows. But again, it was kind of not really clear, so we have a high probability order block around this area that never kind of tapped into. See, it never tapped into. If I wanted to use Fibonacci level, the same thing would happen. See, it barely touched 50% level, barely. And I wouldn't really count it because it's not really effective. It's got to actually go to the golden zone, and then after that I take my trade. But it didn't happen. But if you really wanted to take a trade, this is where exactly you could have taken it. See, we have a high probability order block from here to here. We have so many breakout structures, and we still have this high probability order block. And what happened was this. See, it never broke outside of the order block, and we have this momentum here. So what you could do is to take your trade here, put your stop loss underneath the order block, and then your TP somewhere out here, 1 to 2.5, which was amazing. And this is what would have happened. It would be a profitable trade, but what time is it here? It's 12 p.m., which is 10 a.m. in my time. So I wouldn't wait that long, 3-4 hours staring at the charts. No. But NAS100 was way more potential, guys, and you could have literally taken it. That would be awesome. But for this one, you know, you should have been more patient, but it was a beautiful trade. It respected the order block, which is this one, and it spiked towards upside, never tapped into this zone, and then finally did. And we have this momentum here, stop loss, TP, and then we are set to go. And it probably never respected this one as well. I don't know what happened after that, but yeah, see, it's trying to respect this order block as well. It never tapped outside of it. See, it tried to go above this level, it never did. It dropped significantly, and now it's probably just, you know, coming further. Or if you want to use trend lines, we have a trend line from here to here, so it's probably trying to reach this level. But I'm not trading anymore, guys, for this one. I'm just saying that this is what might happen. And yeah, that was a really good one for GBPUSD and NAS100 and Gold Incubator. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It's gonna push my videos in front of more people. And if you want to try it for free, you know what to do. If you have any question, drop your comment here. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.